Throwing in another video here. Reason being is this is kind of not unique, but pretty sought after. I got this on eBay, and for a killer price. Actually, I think it was $40 in shipping, so it ended up being a little bit more than 40. Obviously, I think it was around 70. But here it is. It actually comes with one of these old school chargers, one of these fast chargers, Archer. And I'll try to package this up just like it was. So here's the old school charger. Pretty cool. I gotta ship this right back out. This is not mine. This is for one of my guys. He's been looking for one of these, but they are outrageously priced. And there it is. Golden Arrow Buggy by Radio Shack. So we're going to, actually we're just going to lift the top off. I'm going to leave this in the box, because again I do have to ship it out. It's got another charger, two other chargers, two old NiCad packs, the transmitter, and then the Buggy itself. Now it's not in the best of shape. I mean, it's not bad, but it does have the original box. Got all the original accessories, and one of the wheels is off of it. It's dirty. I'm going to let him clean it. It's got some scrapes and bruises on the bottom here, but I'm sure he'll be fine with that. Screws coming out. It is definitely dirty. What I'm going to do is, I think I've got some bearings, or bushings rather, at least. I've got something. So we're going to put this wheel back on. It just uses bushings. I think I've got some extra bushings for a grasshopper. Let me see if I can find those. I used the bearing kits on the grasshoppers, so should be the same. Yes, it is the same size. Here we go. Oh, you know what? This is hilarious. Actually, it's just missing the nut, because the bushing is right there. Perfecto. There, that fits better. Now we just got to find a washer and a nut. Actually, I think I found one in my sand scorcher goodie bag. What I do with all my kits is all the extra pieces and accessories that go with them, I put them back in the box. Any spares, anything like that. And even for like the battery and the speed controller, they're all in one box. This should be the same size. I don't even need a washer, actually. Oh yeah. There we go. Lift and slide. Got some good old corrosion there going on in the battery compartment. Yeah, he's gonna like this. But it is complete. Looks like it could use some new rear tires. It's got the bumper, which is typically missing. The decals are usually gone. That front bumper's seen its better days, but it is there. Yeah, this is going to be awesome. Got the little extra accessories. So we're going to package this all back up. Now it's got a fixed wheel. Here's your on-off button, but yeah, just its suspension is really stiff on this thing. I don't know if that's like that from the factory, but I'm sure he'll go through it. This was basically like Radio Shack, their answer to the grasshopper or the frog, whatever. So I think you can actually use, looks like you can use grasshopper wheels and tires, which I'm sure he will end up doing. They're readily available. So yeah, just a quick video. Wanted to show you that. We're not going to drive it or anything. Going to let him do everything he needs to do to it. And the old radio, golden arrow. Pretty neat stuff. Pretty neat. I think he's going to be super happy with this. Better be. Been looking for one for a while. There we go. That package is back up. Hopefully get it out today. And he might even have it tomorrow. He doesn't live that far from me. Batteries. Gotta put those back in there. Yeah. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Just wanted to kind of show you the Radio Shack Golden Arrow. Very cool little kit. I never really wanted one. Of course, I don't know if I even knew about it. There we go. So that's it. If he gets once he gets it ready to go, I might have him shoot a video on his iPhone. Maybe we'll do a follow-up, see how he likes it. But yeah, thanks for watching.